Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to check battery usage details in your Android phone. So at first, swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll down a bit, then go to battery option and then scroll down again, then just tap here and here it is. From here, you can check your battery usage details. You can see today my battery usage is 2% and screen on time is 10 minutes and screen off time is 8 hours and 16 minutes. And you can check yours from here. And from here you can check your weekly battery usage details. Here you can see green marks. Green color means charging mode and the white color means battery level. Now if you go back, you can also show or hide your battery percentage from here. If you cannot find battery usage option in your phone, then you can look for battery activity option. And that is how you can check battery usage details in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.